Let's dive into the world of chicken wing production, where precision and care create a beloved culinary delight. Ever wondered how chicken wings make it from the farm to your table? Let's find out. The journey of making chicken wings starts with selecting the right chickens. This crucial step sets the tone for the entire production process, as the quality of the meat directly influences the final product. Both free-range and farm-raised chickens are evaluated based on size, health, and overall quality. Free-range chickens are often preferred for their firmer texture and richer flavor, while farm-raised chickens offer consistency and availability. The stakes are high in this selection process. A single mistake can jeopardize the entire batch, wasting valuable resources and hours of labor. Expert knowledge and meticulous care are required to ensure only the best chickens are chosen. This selection ensures a strong foundation for the subsequent steps in the process, ultimately leading to high-quality chicken wings that meet consumer expectations. Once selected, the chickens are transported to the processing facility under controlled conditions to maintain their quality. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the chickens undergo initial inspection and cleaning. Skilled workers and advanced machinery work in tandem to trim and cut the chickens. The wings are carefully separated from the rest of the bird, ensuring precision in every cut. This step is vital because even a small error can affect the yield and quality of the wings. The chickens are handled with care to maintain their texture and appearance. The trimming and cutting process must be done quickly to keep the meat fresh and prevent any potential spoilage. This stage requires a blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology to achieve the high standards expected by consumers. The wings are then sorted into different grades based on size and quality, preparing them for the next steps in the production process. Brining is a critical step in the production of chicken wings, enhancing their flavor and juiciness. The wings are immersed in a brine solution, typically consisting of water, salt, sugar, and various spices. This solution helps to tenderize the meat and infuse it with flavor. The duration of the brining process is carefully controlled, as overbrining can lead to overly salty wings, while underbrining can result in blandness. The brine must be kept at a precise temperature to ensure consistency and safety. This step is crucial for achieving the desired taste and texture in the final product. The stakes are high here, as any miscalculation in the brining process can significantly impact the quality of the wings. Once brined, the wings are drained and prepared for seasoning. Seasoning is where the chicken wings begin to take on their distinctive flavor. A carefully calibrated blend of spices is applied to the brined wings. This blend can include ingredients like paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. The seasoning must be evenly distributed to ensure a consistent taste throughout. This step is essential for defining the flavor profile of the wings, making them appealing to a wide range of consumers. The seasoned wings are then allowed to rest, allowing the flavors to meld and penetrate the meat. The precision required in this stage is critical, as any imbalance in the seasoning can lead to a product that is either too bland or too overpowering. The goal is to enhance the natural flavor of the chicken while adding a delicious, savory kick. The next step in the process is coating the seasoned wings. This involves dipping the wings in a batter or breading mixture, depending on the desired final texture. The batter or breading mixture typically consists of flour, cornstarch, and additional spices to complement the seasoning applied earlier. The coating must be applied evenly to ensure that each wing has a consistent crunch and flavor once cooked. This step is crucial because it affects both the texture and the appearance of the final product. Advanced machinery is used to ensure uniform coating, but skilled workers also play a vital role in maintaining quality. The coated wings are then allowed to rest briefly, which helps the coating adhere better during cooking. This step is essential for creating the crispy exterior that consumers love. The stakes are high in this phase, as any inconsistencies in the coating process can lead to uneven cooking and a subpar eating experience. Cooking is a critical stage in the production of chicken wings, as it transforms the raw, seasoned, and coated wings into a delicious, ready-to-eat product. The wings can be cooked using various methods, including deep frying, baking, or air frying, depending on the desired texture and flavor. In a factory setting, deep frying is often the preferred method due to its efficiency and ability to produce consistently crispy wings. The wings are cooked at precise temperatures to ensure they are thoroughly cooked while maintaining their juiciness. Overcooking can dry out the meat, while undercooking poses health risks. The cooking process is carefully monitored to ensure each batch meets the highest standards of quality and safety. The stakes are high here, as improper cooking can compromise the entire batch, leading to significant financial losses and dissatisfied customers. Once cooked, the wings are drained of excess oil and allowed to cool slightly before moving on to the next stage. Quality control is a crucial part of the chicken wing production process, ensuring that each batch meets the highest standards of taste, texture, and safety. Throughout the entire production process, from selecting the chicken to cooking, stringent quality control measures are in place. Inspectors and advanced technology work together to monitor factors like temperature, hygiene, and product consistency. Any deviations from the standards are addressed immediately to prevent compromised products from reaching consumers. This rigorous attention to detail helps maintain the trust and satisfaction of consumers. Quality control teams conduct regular inspections and tests, including taste tests and microbial analysis, to ensure that every wing meets the expected quality. The stakes are high, as any lapses in quality control can lead to product recalls, financial losses, and damage to the brand's reputation. Maintaining rigorous quality control is essential for building and preserving consumer trust and delivering a consistently excellent product. With the wings cooked and quality checked, the next vital step is packaging. Proper packaging is essential to maintaining the freshness, flavor, and quality of the chicken wings until they reach the consumer. The wings are carefully placed into vacuum-sealed packages to remove air and prevent spoilage. Labels are then applied, providing important information such as ingredients, nutritional facts, and expiration dates. This packaging not only protects the wings during transport, but also extends their shelf life. The sealed packages are then boxed and prepared for distribution. This stage is critical, as any errors in packaging can lead to spoilage and compromise the product's integrity. The meticulous attention to detail in packaging ensures that the chicken wings remain fresh and flavorful, preserving their high quality from the factory to the consumer's table. Proper packaging is the final step in delivering a premium product that meets consumer expectations. Every package is designed to withstand the rigors of transportation and storage, ensuring that the wings arrive in perfect condition. The use of high-quality materials and state-of-the-art packaging technology reflects the commitment to excellence at every stage of production. This comprehensive approach to packaging is integral to maintaining the integrity of the wings, providing consumers with a product that is both delicious and safe. The final step in the journey of chicken wings from factory to table is distribution. Once packaged, the wings are loaded onto refrigerated trucks designed to maintain the optimal temperature, ensuring the wings remain fresh during transport. Efficient logistics and coordination are key to ensuring that the wings arrive at retailers and restaurants in pristine condition. The stakes are high during this stage, as any delays or mishandling can lead to spoilage, financial losses, and unhappy customers. The distribution network involves a complex chain of refrigerated storage and transportation to various destinations, ensuring the wings reach consumers quickly and safely. Upon arrival, the wings are stored in refrigerated units until they are ready to be sold or cooked. This stage is crucial for maintaining the quality and safety of the product, ensuring that consumers receive the same high-quality chicken wings that left the factory. So there you have it. A fascinating journey from farm to table for the chicken wings we love. This process artfully combines age-old traditions with modern precision to deliver flavors that are cherished at dinner tables and parties around the world. If you want to explore more exciting Field to Fork stories, watch our next video.